to the ACE channel. Chill, enjoy, and learn. There has already been an accident on the right side, but follow this driver, whether it's bad assessment or disobeying the traffic lights. Silver Ram gets cut off, then appears to run a red light, hits Raptor and Camaro. It happened in Highland, California.
Do not hit me.
We will simply describe this as disobeying traffic light. How did he do this? Fortunately, and due to the caution of the other drivers, nothing happened. Set in St. Charles, Missouri.
Whatever you do, don't buy an engagement ring. Die! Until you discover.
An impatient person felt the need to pass people on the side of the highway. It happened in Lee's Summit, Missouri.
And then when they get back up here, they go back to 50. Trevor!
Bad judgment and terrible overtaking of the car. Luckily, this driver managed to avoid the accident. Happened in Madison County, Montana. This truck was empty and managed to brake and go around. It happened at the intersection of I-15 and I-33. Car tries to pass dumb truck at intersection and loses. Too many people are in a hurry. Driver of car fled scene and returned 5 minutes later on foot. There didn't seem to be any major damage to the car in front, just an unfortunate and unavoidable situation for anyone who could be found. The pickup truck behind could not wait and passed this car between two hills in a dangerous spot. It happened in southern Indiana. This guy didn't like the lights on this truck. I guess the light bar was only after he cut this truck off, so the truck driver made sure he knew it was there. They all have the same lights in their Ford trucks. It happened in Oklahoma.
What the fuck was that?
The driver of this car is certainly at fault. He did not look to the right when joining the traffic.
You okay?
Yeah?
I just don't get how people can change just like that, like overnight.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
What?
Sorry, this Oklahoma was going the wrong way in the drive-through lane. Like, that gray car was going. That gray car was going up that lane.
Huh.
This video has been sped up twice. A gray car drove in the wrong direction, hit a parked car, and then ran away. Fortunately, this camera recorded everything. It happened in Providence, Rhode Island.
What?
Wow.
I'm in the dash cam zone.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
This last clip is a compilation of videos from the Bad Drivers of North Texas channel.
Video protected.
Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, drive safe.